Ever split a dinner bill with friends and awkwardly pull out your phone to exchange Cash App usernames? Or maybe you're tired of that whole "can I get your account number" dance when paying a roommate back for rent. Well, that's where Venmo comes in. It's a digital wallet app that lets you send and receive money with just a few taps on your phone. It's become incredibly popular, especially among millennials and Gen Z. But with so many banks out there, you might be wondering, can I use my bank account with Venmo? The answer? It depends. While Venmo doesn't directly partner with every single bank, there are a ton of institutions that allow you to seamlessly connect your account for easy money transfers. So, let's dive into the world of Venmo and banks and see which ones play nicely together. Fan favorites, banks that buddy up with Venmo. Alright, let's get down to business. Here are some of the biggest names in banking that work hand in hand with Venmo. Chase, a household name for many, Chase offers seamless integration with Venmo. You can easily link your Chase checking or savings account and transfer funds back and forth in a flash. Bank of America, another banking giant, Bank of America also allows you to connect your account to Venmo. This means sending money to friends or splitting bills becomes a breeze. PNC Bank, offering a user-friendly experience, PNC Bank lets you connect your account to Venmo for all your digital money transfer needs. Beyond the big guys, finding your Venmo-friendly bank. That's not all. Don't worry if your bank isn't on this list. There are many other banks that allow Venmo integration. Here's how you can find out if yours is one of them. The Venmo app, believe it or not, the answer might be right at your fingertips. Open the Venmo app and navigate to your settings. Look for an option like Banks and Accounts or Payment Methods. If your bank is compatible, you should be able to see it listed there. Your bank's website or app, most banks these days have robust online presences. Check out your bank's website or app and search for information about Venmo integration. They might have a dedicated FAQ section or list of compatible financial apps. A little Venmo 101, how to connect your bank. Once you've confirmed that your bank is Venmo approved, here's a quick rundown on how to connect your account. Open the Venmo app and tap on the hamburger menu, those three horizontal lines, in the top left corner. Navigate to Settings and then look for Banks and Accounts or Payment Methods. Find your bank on the list, or use the search bar if available, and follow the on-screen instructions to link your account. You might need to provide your bank login credentials during this process. Beyond bank accounts, funding your Venmo account. While linking your bank account is a convenient option, it's not the only way to add funds to your Venmo wallet. Here are a couple of other methods. Debit card. Most debit cards can be linked to your Venmo account, allowing you to instantly add funds whenever you need to. Credit card. While not ideal due to potential fees, you can also use a credit card to add funds to your Venmo account. Just be mindful of any associated charges. Just a heads up, a few things to consider. While Venmo is a fantastic tool for splitting bills and sending quick payments, there are a few things to keep in mind. Transfer speeds. When transferring funds from your bank account to Venmo, it might take 1 to 3 business days for the money to appear in your Venmo wallet. Limits. Be aware of any transfer limits imposed by your bank or Venmo. These limits may restrict how much money you can send or receive in a single transaction or within a specific period. Security. Always be mindful of security when using Venmo. Don't send money to people you don't know or trust, and be cautious about sharing your account details. Venmo and banks, a match made in money transfer heaven. So, there you have it. With a plethora of banks offering Venmo integration and various ways to fund your account, sending and receiving money with friends has never been easier. Remember, while Venmo is a fantastic tool, it's always wise to be responsible and aware of any limitations or security considerations. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.